So let's try to figure out the angle between these two vectors. Vector A is 5, 3, -2, 2, and 5. Now that's going to actually be in the fifth dimension. It's kind of hard to draw that, so I didn't actually draw that. But, this would essentially be the first coordinate x, y, z, and then whatever the heck this would be and that would be. But you can kind of keep going, and you get two of those right here. So I didn't draw this, but you can kind of picture two vectors in some sort of dimension, and we're going to try to figure out what the angle is between them. By doing that, we're going to use the dot product, and there's two answers to this. So the first one is just going to be what I like to call II plus JJ plus KK. And so that means we're just going to multiply these different coordinates together and see what happens there. We're going to get a number. And then in the second version, we're going to use the magnitude of A times the magnitude of V times cosine theta, and then we're going to be able to figure out what theta is. So what the first thing that we're going to do is go 5 times 2, which is 10. Here, I'll just multiply this out, because the first answer is going to be 10 plus 18 plus, I guess, -12 plus 0, and then minus 5. And so we're going to get basically 10 plus 1 on this side, and that's equal to 11. And then that's going to be the first answer, the dot product. And the second one we're going to set that equal to is the magnitude of A and B. And to do that, we're just going to do the Pythagorean theorem. Plus 2 squared plus 2 squared plus 5 squared. Take the square root, figure out what that is. So we get 25 plus 9 plus 4 plus 4 plus 25. Take the square root. Syntax error. Okay, that's going to be square root of 67. And then there's the other one, which is 2 plus 6 plus 6 plus 1. Square root that. And that's the square root of 77. And then we're going to multiply that by cosine theta. So square root of 67. I guess we're going to put this in final form, kind of like this. 67 times square root of 77 equals cosine theta. And so if we figure out for theta, take the arc cosine of 11 by those two things down there. Times square root of 77. It's going to give us 81.2 degrees. And that is the correct answer. So that's pretty cool. Nice and easy. Looks like we found the angle between two vectors in the fifth dimension. That's kind of interesting.